Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share a survey link on SurveyMonkey. So for this, what we're going to do is we go to create survey, where we can create ourselves a survey, and then we click right here on start from scratch. Then I will fill in real quick some information because how we create our survey is not important for now. So I fill in right here just Q, and then we go right here to the answer choice, Q, and then Q again. And then we do right here save. And then what we're going to do right now is we click right here on publish survey. Then he will send us right here to this page. And then you see right here all the options how you can share your survey. But we are interested right now in this link right here, because if you copy this link and paste this link right here at a new tab, you see right here that people can fill in right now or survey. So this is, to be honest, how it works. And this is where you will find your link. Now you can also click right here on share link, and then he will create right here a link for you with a lot of settings that you can enable or disable right here. And then you can send this link to people if you want to do that. So this is how you can share a survey link right here on SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.